Hi, it's me. My name is Dave, or David. Some call me Buzzsaw. Some call me many other things. I'm coming out to look at the rain again. I was out a lot earlier. I couldn't get on Facebook Live because of because the face of the phone got wet and it wouldn't allow me to log in. So the big thing is rivers. I went to the river over off of Garden Grove or Memory Lane Road to the bridge where that golf course begins, or is actually, and was watching how high the water was and how high it's rising. You know, I guess there's been alerts for the next few hours on flooding. I don't think we're in too big a problem, but the river is rising. It's interesting because, you know, it's been raining hard, and it's been raining, and it's just all day it has just been wet. So I'm gonna switch the angle, and this is my backyard, kinda, because I don't know if anybody can see it really. Oh, there you go. Step over here. It's out of the rain. This bucket and this pan I emptied yesterday in order to gauge today and tomorrow, and it's insane. Because let me show you. Let me go back out in the wet. This is the pan. I don't know if you can see in it, but it's almost full, and that's just today to this point. From yesterday, about 8 or 9 in the morning when I dumped it. This is the bigger bucket. I know it's hard to see, but it's got a lot in it. I'm gonna measure that. It's most likely not a very accurate gauge. You can get a scale out of the old toolbox. There's that normal inch stuff. And here I am out here. Okay, that's about 3.5 inches, maybe more, of rain we've gotten. It was about, my thumb was about there. So that's just in that bucket, and that's kind of crazy. I see my cousins watching. I see my favorite Alicia, who's going to be an amazing nurse and probably an amazing mother when she ever has children, just watching. I'm not a popular guy, so it's not going to be spreading around the live sphere or the Facebook sphere big. So thanks for the thumbs, though. Okay. So anyways, this is the wet that we're experiencing